So guys, I'm back at y'all with another outfit video, and this is going to be a find your style video. So I'll be going through different styles and also clothing tips for everybody. So no matter what style you have, I have it all in here. Just make sure to watch till the very end. And the first style I'm starting out with gives me girl next door vibes, but also kind of outgoing dress vibes. Like if you like to be, you know, out there, you like to be noticed, but you still like to be, you know, girly cute, this is that style basically. So I usually mix something basic like a skirt with something more out there and cutish like this shirt. And then what I always do is, if I have like, I already have a color, like my skirt for instance is brown and my shirt is black, I don't try to mix more colors in. I always just go with one of the colors that's already in the outfit. So for accessories and shoes, like my belt is black, and you guys will see in a minute that my shoes and socks are going to be black, because I really don't like to mix in too many colors. But my shoes have some white in them, but the majority of the shoe is black. So I just went put on some white boots because that wouldn't go. I put on some black and white boots because they have black in it, and white just adds, you know, a little simple, another pop of color to go with it. So like I said, this is real, you know, girly, out there, outgoing. If this isn't your style, then cool, I got you later on. But if you're like me, I'm all of these styles, so you don't have to be simply one style. You know, you can mix and match. I went through this really nerdy stage, and then I went through this urban fashion stage. Then I went through like a phase where I was mixing it, and now I'm more, you know, classy. I like to wear heels a lot, but I still go back and forth between the different styles. So you don't have to be simply one style. So this is what this outfit looks like. I think it's real cute and girly. I didn't throw too many colors in, it's just right. So yeah, if y'all like this outfit, then keep watching. So if this is not your style as much, you can always dim it down with a less dramatic top. So this is something I will wear in the winter time, or occasionally just, you know, season round. And like I said, I'm just matching colors here. So my sweater is white, so my shoes. And I just took off that belt because it wasn't going with the fit. But you know, bulky sweaters always go good with everything. So if you're looking just to, you know, water it down a little bit, then here you go. And you can see my shirt and my shoes match pretty well. And a tip to like tucking in super big sweaters is to, you know, pull your skirt up and then pull your shirt down to make sure there isn't any bumps. I had to learn that the hard way. And I always, you know, loosen it up a little bit. And here you go. This is another cute, simple style, girly girl next door, whatever you want to call it. Still out there with the heels and stuff. You know, if you're not a heel type of girl, it's okay. It's fine. I got more outfits. So for my next outfit, it's more of a just cute but chill look. So I just have this loose comfy sweater, and some mom jeans, you know, with a slight rip in them. Not, you know, just too much, but just slight. They're loose fitting and very comfortable. So I just matched that with this sweater, and you know that they're not too much. You know, I try to like to match colors. So both of these are solid colors, not just, you know, too much, because my shoes are going to be something a little out there. So I didn't want to do too much at the top, because too much going on is just very distracting. So y'all, I have my cheetah print boots, and as y'all can see, I tried to match the colors again. So like the brown, it's just a little different shade of brown than the sweater, but still brown, and the prints on it are black, so that kind of went well together. And this is what I came out with. You can wear big sweaters, you know, off the shoulder, off one shoulder, off both shoulders, to the side. It don't matter. It's whatever you like. And if you don't like heels as much, then cool. It's okay. Because if you don't like heels, then you can always, you know, switch over to something more comfortable, like flat. So I have these brown sandals that I have. They're like wedged a little bit, but they're really comfortable, and they match really well with the top. And yeah, this is just a way to water it down. It's still cute but simple if you like to be comfortable, like I like to be sometimes. But if you really want to jazz it up a little bit, then try a really patterned shirt, like a cute patterned shirt. But don't do too much. If your shoes are patterned and your shirt is patterned, it depends. It just depends on like what you like. If you like doing a lot, then that's cool. So I wouldn't say this is doing a lot. This is more chill. But it is a crop top. If you don't like crop tops, you can always throw a tank top underneath. It won't hurt anything. But if you don't want it as crop, like you see I'm doing, I'm just pulling it off the shoulder and pulling it down a little bit. And I thought this was just really cute, like really cute. And you know, play around with your sleeves and all of that. And if you want to, you know, jazz it up, you can try like the patterns that I had with the boots again. And you know, just see what you like. So next up we have our Urban Chicks, and I went through this phase for a while. Like I just loved it all. So I always start off with a tank top, and I know it's weird because I'm putting a tank top on another tank top, but you know, I got to cover it up. I don't think my mom would approve if I showed my bra or anything. But so I always like to start off with crop tops, because crop tops are like the best, and definitely loud colored ones. So if you don't like the tank top, you know, you can always go without. But I always usually match it with like a pair of heavily ripped jeans like these, and they have this little like splattered paint pattern on them, which matches the color of my tank top. So if you're gonna wear a tank top under your crop top, then make sure it's like plain white or plain black. Make sure it's not distracting. Make sure it's a solid color, so don't take away from your crop top, because that's not the goal here. And just make sure it matches with one of the colors you already have in your outfit, as I say all the time. And you know, I'm just throwing on a black belt because I think it like cinches in your waist a little bit more. So you can leave it like this. You know, you could throw on some Jordans or something if you like that, but you already know what the deal is. And y'all probably like, why so many heels? I told y'all, I'm going through that phase, but I'm gonna show you other ways in just a little second. So you know, you can leave it like this, or like I said, just go without. Like if you're not in school or your dress code isn't that strict, just go without. And then you can always add anything as a little bit of flavor. So I didn't really feel like adding any more colors like in a jacket, and it really didn't make it like hotter since I already had on the sweater. And this is just a plain raincoat. So like if your parents have a raincoat or a poncho, you know, ask them to use it, because you know you can make anything into something. So it really doesn't add anything like too drastic to the outfit, but it's just not, you know, too distracting. It's like just enough. So like I said, you can throw on a pair of Jordans. These Jordans are white and gray, and they match my shirt. So yeah, that's a good thing when it comes to outfits like this. Really cute, you know. And this is more laid back, if you know what I'm saying. So another thing I like to do with these outfits is add like a really, so I like to do like a really bright color with a simple color. For instance, that crop top was orange and my pants are black. So this shirt is pink and still my pants are black. But as you can see, it's a really good contrast, and it makes it, you know, it makes your shirt stand out more. And this is also a cute outfit. And you know, you could throw on the white and gray Jordans, because that would match, you know, just anything. You wouldn't want to add another color into your shoes, because you know it takes away, unless it match exactly with like your top or something. And another simple way, you know, to be cute is to just match it, matchy, just match it up. So this is a stacked sweatpants suit that I made in a previous video, and I'm just putting it on with the white Jordans again, because I just try to stick to, since this color is light, I'm just trying to stick to light colors. I wouldn't throw on no black shoes with this, because it would just not go. So if y'all want to know how I made these stacked pants, check it out in the iCards, and yeah, go check that video out. So that's basically it for all my tips on, you know, urban styling. So my next style is again a more chillax girly girl vibe. It's still girly, but it's more chill than the first one. The first one was more, you know, way out there, you know, with the heels and the top and the off the shoulder. This one's more, you know, I'm here, here's now, and I like to be girly. So, you know, this is more just like that girl next door, you know, sweet, you know, sweet and simple, you know, but still cute at the same time. And as y'all can see here, I mixed two different colors, so I stuck to just black as like my shoes and my belt. And this also is a skirt that I've made in my other videos, so make sure to check that out if y'all want to know how I made this. But like I said, you know, I tried to, you know, color code match, you know, with the green and the blue, and then the white pearls is kind of like an accent color. So yeah, pretty simple. It's same basics as, you know, the beginning with, you know, the color match and all that. And this is more laid back with the pants. So I just wanted to do like a fun pattern to go with my green sweater, since my green sweater is just one solid color. And the shoes have pineapples on them, and y'all know yellow goes with green. We all know that, you know, they correspond with each other. And then, you know, the little green grass or whatever that is on the pineapple. So yeah, this really goes together. And like the white is, my white and gray is just, you know, like the fun part of the outfit, like as in color coding. So I hope that y'all enjoyed these tips, and I hope that I had y'all style somewhere in this video, and I hope you really learned something from this. And yeah guys, that is basically it for this fashion video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'm gonna see you guys next time. Peace.